Hey guys, so I'm back. Alright, so far what I do, I finish the wiring. Let me show you. So I finished the wiring for the tracker. This was the original one for the tracker, but you know we ain't using that no more, so this is a new one. Alright, and I run the wires and the dashboard here. Alright, so the wires in the dashboard, so that's finished. I'm about to connect up this now, and it brings three bolts. Let me show you where it connect to. Right there. These are the three nuts right there. Alright guys, so I'm working my ass off. And I will come back and give you a next update.